My good people, how are you guys doing? Today is a great day. Do you know that justice has been prevailed, man? Yes, I like it. I have to clap from my hand to God Almighty. Justice for the first time in Nigeria. Oh my God. You see? Oh, how are you guys doing? My good people, my friends, my fans. I thank you guys all. I am happy that finally that justice was prevailed today. Thank you for watching. Thank you for tuning in. This is a quick one, my good brothers and sisters, my friends, my good people. Yes, wonder shall never end. You see, God's time is the best. That is why patient and being on the right side is good. If you always says the truth, if you always stand for the good things, if you always fighting for people, God has a way to protect you. God has a way to save you, even though people are against you. But God must surely deliver you, my good people. Do you know God has delivered Nnamdi Kanu? Oh my goodness. Someone they went and rendition back upon all the money they spend. His enemies are tired now. They are withdrawing. They are running away. My good people, if you see what happens to court today, you will know that, oh, God is wonderful. God is wonderful. Eh? Do you know that Justice Binta Nyako, or whatever they call her, the judge that was in charge of this case for almost more than 5 years, finally today set Nnamdi Kanu free. Nnamdi Kanu is free. Nnamdi Kanu is free because Justice Nyako, or whatever they call her, has finally released Nnamdi Kanu today. It's a shock and surprise. When this Nnamdi Kanu said that Nigeria has no right, that their case is not justified, that they don't have any right to try him in. No court will ever try him in Nigeria because this matter they are talking about happened in London. So you see, and this judge was shocked. And what happened? He said she's no longer ready for the case again. Now the judge has dropped the case, my good brothers and sisters. Wow, wonder shall never end. Do you know this case between Nnamdi Kanu and Nigerian government is almost 10 years? Could you imagine? I say almost 10 years. Imagine a child that was born since that time, a child of 10 years. Imagine how old or how big that guy or the child will be now. So that is why I say, let me bring you guys this news this evening. Let me tell you what happened in the courts today, being the 9th, 24th. It was marvelous what God can do. God is powerful. That Nnamdi Kanu has been set free. Because with what happens in the court today made me to believe and understand that this man is free. He's free. The judge has freed Nnamdi Kanu today. With the things that occurred in the court today, I am sure that Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is free. This guy has gotten his freedom. He will be getting out very soon. He can't stay there no more for long. Because I don't think that any person would like to be in that position to judge this guy again. So that is what I came in here today to tell you, that the judge that has been handling this case for almost 10 years has freed him today. And I'm telling you, Nnamdi Kanu is free. No two ways about it. Because the lady has dropped the case. So if she has dropped the case and said she's no longer going to convict Nnamdi Kanu, or is no longer going to handle the matter, so what do you think? Is it somebody that don't know anything about the case or doesn't? Where would that person start again? So my good people, I thank you for watching. Don't fail to subscribe. Don't fail to share. This is Dan Speaks Common Sense TV.
I told them that no court in Nigeria has jurisdiction to try me.
They removed that long
because since this offense was committed in England, so they said, it's only a UK court that can give a Nigerian court the authority to proceed, isn't it?
Yes. Based on that, they removed London.
Based on that, they now amended the charge again and removed London.
Location of the
location of the broadcast. Contrary to section 196,
174 of the Terrorism Prevention Act 2020.
In violation of their own laws. In violation of their own laws. And you want me to stand trial under such circumstances? Is that possible? Nnamdi Kanu to stand trial where these shenanigans are going on? It's not possible.
It's a persecution against the Igbo. It's a persecution against
No, let them give them a fresh one, not the ones.
No.
We have many of that.
Mr. Kanu, the last one last question. The one last question. Reference to what she has asked earlier. Justice Binta Nako that she's one of the senior judges at this court.
And I have respect and love for her. She knows.
What if this case comes back to her? Because
It is not possible. It's not possible. This persecution of the Igbo people, this orchestrated, almost global persecution of the people, stops with me. It cannot happen. Very well. It can never happen. That is why we do what we do. That is why I do what I do. I am campaigning for the freedom of my people because of the persecution that we are facing.
Yes.
It's as simple as that. Nothing more, nothing less.
Yes.
The rules change when it comes.
by a court of law.
So you'll be patient for the case to go back and come back to the court?
This is my 4th year in solitary confinement in detention. The 5th year will not kill me.
Sorry, what if the case is also reassigned back to her? Will you still be comfortable?
It's not going on.
No, it won't happen.
It won't happen. It doesn't happen.
It doesn't happen that way. It doesn't happen that way at all.
Thank you very much.
These are the things that the public must understand. Most of you journalists, the legal correspondents, you don't take time to actually study some of these rulings and judgments. Go and study. In fact, I'll give you...
Bring that envelope. Bring the envelope.
Look at it here. Look at it here. Look at it.
I'll give it to her because I think she's a bit more...
Give her the sugar judgment.
Can you hold this for me?
She can...
I want to let the whole world understand something. Very, very clear. In all this is the judgment of the Supreme Court. It made it very clear that even that the impartiality of the judge is questionable. And is here. Where is it? Please do bear with me. It says it here.
I like
what is it. Page? What is that again? Where it says all these things are online. Is it not page 18? All these things are online. So I suggest that the journalists in this country actually take out time to do some basic research. It's not difficult, just minor research. You will understand the virtuousness, the emptiness of all the charges against me.
Okay.
They kept switching the charges. They said I committed this crime in England, isn't it?
Yes.
I made a broadcast in England.
Yes.
And in 9 charges leveled against me, the place where I committed this crime was London, in the United Kingdom.
Yes.
When my lawyers came to see me, I had a discussion with them about how I'm going to defend myself. I told them that no court in Nigeria has jurisdiction to try me. Because since this offense was committed in England, so they said, it's only a UK court that can give a Nigerian court the authority to proceed, isn't it?
Yeah, based on that, they removed London.
Based on that, they now amended the charge again and removed London.
Location of the broadcast.
Location of the broadcast. Contrary to section 196,
174 of the Terrorism Prevention Act 2022.
in violation of their own laws. Violation of their own laws. And you want me to stand trial under such circumstances? Is that possible? Nnamdi Kanu to stand trial where these shenanigans are going on? It's not possible.
To be a travesty.
Because